Cleaning company owners, stop leaving money on the table. 7 ways to get more cleaning clients. Method number 7 is FIRE. Are you ready to take your business to the next level in 2025? All right, listen up. You've put in the grind. You've built a quality management system. You're actually delivering on your promises. That's huge. But now it's time to pour some serious gasoline on that fire and bring in more clients. More clients mean more revenue, more impact, more everything you've been hustling for. Stop thinking small. It's not about a million tactics. It's about focusing on the right tactics that actually move the needle and get you in front of a bigger audience in your community. We're talking about real growth, real results, not just spinning your wheels. We're about to break down 6 methods, and look, I'm betting a lot of you are already dabbling in some of these. You might think you've got it covered, but let me tell you, the way we're going to talk about them, the depth, the execution, that's where the game changes. But here's the kicker. The real reason you need to stick around bonus method number 7. I'm not even kidding. I can almost guarantee you haven't fully tapped into this, or maybe haven't even considered it. And let me be crystal clear, I dare say this method is the future of new client acquisition for your cleaning business. This isn't some fluffy trend, this is where the puck is going, and you need to be there. So do yourself a favor, stay locked in until the very end, because not only will you get this game-changing insight, but we've also got a special gift lined up for all you cleaning business owners who are serious about scaling. Don't be the one who misses out. Let's go. Method number 1, dominate your digital marketing footprint. Expand your digital marketing. Own your space online. If you're not serious about digital, you're invisible to potential customers. Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, use them strategically. Target the right audience, optimize your campaigns. Your digital presence is your storefront, your billboard, and your first impression. Social media is your chance to build brand personality and trust. Be authentic, be consistent, provide value, audit your current digital marketing, learn, adapt, and iterate. That's how you win in the digital space. Stay updated with trends. Use analytics to measure success and refine your strategies. Method number 2, squeeze more juice from content you already have. Optimize your existing content. Strengthen it with SEO and consistent branding. Make your website user-friendly and mobile responsive. Conduct a content audit, update key pages, and refine continuously. Dive deep into your analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Use this data to tweak your content strategy. Regularly update your blog posts and service pages to keep them relevant and engaging. Remember, consistency is key. Align your content with your brand's voice and message. This will not only improve your SEO, but also build trust with your audience. Keep refining and updating to stay ahead in 2025. Method number 3, level up your operations with high-end software. Invest in high-end software to scale your cleaning business efficiently. Good software enhances your business and improves customer experience. CRM software can manage bookings, streamline communication, and track customer history. Imagine having all your client interactions and scheduling in one place. This is how you differentiate yourself from the competition. Invest in software that fits your business needs and watch it pay off. The right tools can transform your operations and drive growth. Chapter 4. Method number 4. Unlock powerful local alliances and partnerships. Partnering with local businesses can be a goldmine. Build relationships with property managers, realtors, and other service providers. Offer mutual benefits and create win-win scenarios. Your action plan? Brainstorm potential partners, draft proposals, and start building those bridges. These alliances can become your most consistent and high-quality lead sources. Think about local coffee shops, gyms, and even schools. These places have a steady flow of people who might need your services. Approach them with a clear value proposition. Show them how a partnership with your cleaning business can benefit them. Remember, the key is to offer something valuable in return. Consistent communication and follow-ups are crucial. Keep your partners updated on your services and any special offers. This will help maintain a strong relationship and ensure that your business remains top of mind. Start today and watch your cleaning business grow through powerful local alliances and partnerships. All right, let's talk about something that can make or break your reputation in the local market. Monitoring your Yelp page. This applies to Google reviews, Angie, Thumbtack, wherever customers leave feedback about your cleaning business. Yelp reviews are a leading way potential customers research companies before contacting you. The crucial part isn't just getting reviews, it's responding to comments, every single one. Always respond respectfully and professionally to negative reviews. Don't get defensive. Offer to take the conversation offline to resolve it. And always thank customers who leave positive reviews. Potential customers read your responses. This engagement shows your company's transparency and value for clients. Your online reputation is a valuable asset. Nurture it, protect it, and leverage it to attract more clients. Leverage your best asset, your happy customers. Actively request client referrals. Don't just wait for them to happen. Hope is not a strategy. You need to be proactive. Ask for reviews and referrals. Make it a part of your routine. Referred customers have higher retention. They are more likely to stay with you. They spend more over their lifetime. This means more revenue for your business. Referrals are low-cost marketing. They save you money on advertising. Provide quality service and ask at the right moment. Timing is crucial. Make it easy for clients to refer you. Simplify the process. Train your team on referrals. Ensure they know how to ask. Happy clients are your best marketers. They can bring in new business, put them to work for your business. Encourage them to spread the word. Create a referral program. Offer incentives for referrals. Incentives can be discounts, free services, or gift cards. Make sure your clients know about the referral program. Promote it through emails, social media, and in person. Keep track of referrals. Use a system to monitor them. Follow up with clients who refer others. Thank them personally. Show appreciation. A simple thank you goes a long way. Keep your clients happy. Happy clients are more likely to refer, address any issues promptly, resolve complaints quickly. A satisfied client is a loyal client. They will refer you to others. Word of mouth is powerful. It can grow your business exponentially. Encourage clients to share their positive experiences. Online reviews are crucial. They influence potential clients. Respond to reviews. Show that you value feedback. Build a community. Engage with your clients regularly. Host events or webinars. Provide value beyond your services. Educate your clients. Share tips and advice. The more value you provide, the more loyal your clients will be. Loyalty leads to referrals. It's a cycle of growth. Invest in your clients. They are your best marketing tool. Remember, happy clients are your best marketers. Put them to work for your business. Your business will thrive with a strong referral program. Start today and watch your business grow. All right, you made it to the end, and I promised you something big. This is bonus method number 7, and I'm telling you this is where the game is heading. Take action on this now and get a huge jump on other cleaning companies in your area. We're talking about hiring a voice platform specialist. Do it this week. Voice search is rapidly becoming the go-to method for consumers to find a cleaning service. Alexa, find someone who can spring clean my home. Google, what is the best cleaning service in my zip code? Your customers are speaking, not just typing. Think about it. How many people do you know who use Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant? These smart devices are everywhere, in homes, in cars, on phones. And 50% of adults in the USA use them daily, and people are using them to find what they need fast. If your business isn't optimized for voice search, you're missing out. As I said previously, you need to hire a voice search specialist as soon as possible so they can get your business set up properly and start generating you new customers within the next 30 days. Don't make the mistakes of trying to hand this over to a search engine optimization person or website developer. Voice search is different, unique, and complex. You don't want your business to be someone's experiment. You get one chance to get it right, and you need a voice search specialist. Voice search is the future of new client acquisition for your cleaning business. Don't get left behind while your competitors are talking to your future customers. Listen, because you stuck with me, we've got something seriously valuable for you. VocalSeek USA is offering a free voice visibility scan. Visit their website, insert your company name, and within 2 minutes you will discover if you rank and how you rank for Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, Bixby, Microsoft Copilot, and other voice devices. When someone says, Alexa, find someone who cleans offices in this area, you need to be in the top 3 on the list. Visit vocalseekusa.com, enter your business name, and get your free report in 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Now go take action and profit. continued success.